Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Nessa. So today guys, I have a haul for you guys from Amazon. I know you all love when I do hauls. So I know I have been MIA for a while on my channel, but guys, life happened. We did had a storm in my country, so my shop was flooded out, and you know, a lot of stuff has been damaged, so I'm trying to, you know, get back into the swing of things. So yeah guys, if you are new to my channel, you are most highly welcome, and if you coming back to look at my video, thank you very much so much for rocking with me. So yeah guys, let's just jump right into the video. So guys, I did pick up a lot of stuff. So the first thing I did pick up is some top coat, and this is from Mia Secret UV finishing gel, and I did pick up two of these. Did picked up is the MacArthur nail art foil glue, and guys, this is the kit that it comes in. It comes with, I believe you could purchase one, but I think you could purchase one. I don't really know. I believe it comes in a kit of two, but if you could purchase one, I'll look for that link and I'll put it down in the description for you guys. So it did come with a little guide showing you how to apply, and guys, you do have to put this in your lamp to cure, and you do get 15 ml. So this is how it looks. Let me just take out one. This is how it looks. It's and this is how it looks, guys. The bottle is pretty big, so yeah, that is that. And I did pick up some foil. I did pick up two sets. This is one of the kit, guys. It comes in a 3 package kit, and this is the first kit. So let me just show you the first set. So you guys, you see this one have a lot of flowers, and they are really pretty. And this one as well. They are pretty gorgeous, guys. I really like them. And this is the last set. So you do get 10 sheets of foil in each packaging, and guys, this is really inexpensive. I think you all should hop on this train and check out Amazon and pick these up. So the next set I did pick up, these are a little more bigger than the first set. So this one did came in a 3 package as well, and you do get the same amount. Okay guys, so let me just show you the first set, and this set is flowers and butterfly and leaf. This is so gorgeous. It's so pretty, guys. This one is so gorgeous. I believe MacArthur do sell a kit where you purchase I believe is one of the glue and one of this kit. So if you all are interested in that, I will leave a link down below as well. And I really love this one as well, guys. I love all of them. So the next purchase I did pick up a pack of these. I have 3 different 3 different shapes. So this is the first one. This is the second one. And guys, if you all are hearing noise, it's my AC. It's really hot. And this is the third one. Okay guys. So how you guys been? I haven't chat with you all for a long while. How you guys been? I really miss you all. I really miss doing videos. So I'm kind of getting back to the hang of stuff, you know, purchasing back some stuff that I did lost, but everything is okay. God is in control. And okay guys, so I did pick up some super nail clear powder, and I just picked up 2 of these. Picked up this powder. This is a pretty new powder. I haven't tried this, so I'm gonna try it and see. This is a liquid. I'm gonna try it and see how it works. I'm just picking it up. I'm not gonna, you know, I don't know. I'm just gonna try it out and see how it works. And the next up I did pick up the Maca Jelly Nails Polish Kit, and I really love the packaging. The packaging is pretty awesome. This is how it came. They are very pretty, guys. If you all would like to see swatches of these, just leave a comment down below and I will get that video up for you guys. So this is how, let me just open one and show you how it looks. This is the color. So yeah guys, that is that. Let me just show you all the colors again. And the next item I did pick up is some acrylic powder from Mia Secret. I did pick up the neon collection. So this is the 2 that I did pick up. If you all would like to see a swatch video, leave a comment down below and I will get that right up for you guys. Let me just show you all. This is the colors I did pick up. If you all will want me to go in depth and do a swatch video for you guys, just let me know down below. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to leave some comments, guys. And thank you so much guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.